Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that have My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, around 10. But we only using one account because you guys are beginners. You're just trying this out. You want to see if it works for yourself, and so I don't want you to jump in if it don't work for you in particular. You don't want to risk something like that. So that's why I'm showing you the results of me just getting into the system a little bit. And it's the absolute laziest way to make money online. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, what I want to do is speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular. And that's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month a certain 80% of the product, you see what I'm saying, that you sell, which is absolutely astronomical. I don't know if you know, but that's the highest period I found. So this is the way to make money, guys. This is the program to promote to make money. All right, so anyway, first and foremost, let's look at our results here. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So first off, what I need to do is show you guys how to get these affiliate links here. Get to these affiliate links. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that. So the first thing you want to do, if you're on my video right now, you just want to scroll down. You'll see my description here. You're gonna see, when you open up the description, you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. All right, guys, we are on step 1. This is the getting your affiliate links. Just click on this right here. It's gonna take you to this page here, and you just roll down, read about it. You know how much you get paid, 20 to 100% monthly, 100 monthly commissions, so on and so forth. All that good stuff, right? You decide you want to try this out. You click on yes, I do. So you just put in your information right here. You put in all your information. I also recommend getting this as well, because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So this is the $100 product, and you get it for free for 2 weeks. So if you get a sale within them 2 weeks, you see what I'm saying, you won't have to pay the $125 right away. So anyway, yeah, it's 2 weeks for free. So try that, get that. There's no reason not to get it, guys. So yeah, complete the order, boom, get instant access, all that good stuff, right? But once you do that, you're gonna log in, you're gonna make your account and all that good stuff here. And what you want to do is come to this page here. And what this page here is, it's gonna look something like this. You might be on a different page, but it's gonna look something like this. So we're gonna click on the affiliate zone. Once you get to this page, you click on the affiliate zone. Like I stated before, there's videos explaining all of this. I'm just kind of running through it real kind of quickly. And you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here. Once you click on that, guys, you put in all your information to sign up for the affiliate program. Boom, boom, boom. You click on log in the sound card. It's gonna take you to here. Now you here. All right, guys, and this is all your links and stuff. So we're gonna this is the one that I particularly been promoting here, guys. This one in particular, this is the one that's been working for me. But I mean, you can do whatever you want to do, you know what I mean? You can give them all a shot if you want to, run through them. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. Now you got your links. So next thing you want to do, guys, is somewhere to promote the links, which is My Lead Gen Secrets. You're gonna click on this on step 2 here. That's gonna take you to this page here, right, guys? Once you get to this page here, you could watch the video if you want to, but TLDR, it just tells you what ML, it just tells you what My Lead Gen Secrets is. All right, which is you get 100 leads that you can mail every single day. So for example, today you will get 100 leads, tomorrow you'll have 200 leads, so on and so forth. And they're all interested in making money online, so this is perfect for our product here. That's what it's all about. So anyway, you just log in here, guys. Did your affiliate here? You just log in here, and what you want to do is just go to mailing system. Now you can check out your leads and all that, and they got some master email swipes you can use as well, but I'll show you my swipes anyway, so you won't have to buy them if you don't want to. So anyway, we're gonna go to mailing system. We're gonna click on select all here, select all our leads here, and we're gonna go to the next second week making money, third week, my peak. We're gonna go with this one. Gonna go with this one. Just copy it, pause and copy this email if you want to. I'm gonna show you the whole email so you can copy it real quick. Hold up. All right, pause, copy, pause, copy, pause, copy, pause, copy. All right, that's the whole email. You put your link in right here. You hit perfect timing. What that does, send an email around the time people check email, so it's a better chance of them checking it out. You hit preview and make sure your link works, guys, and then you send an email and you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy process, very quickly, and you do this every morning. Make money. All right, just the straight up easiest way to make money online. Once you have a bunch of accounts, it just multiplies. All right, you use a bunch of accounts with it, but we only using one account. Remember that we only using one account. Most people use like 10, get 10 accounts themselves. We only using one. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.